So when you read, you get educations. And educations, the first word is E. And E for English. So if you are working very hard, you are getting this much educations, but if you're the first letter of educations, E means English is not good. Remove E from the educations and tell me the meaning. It will be education. It will be so before without E does education. Without E, education will have valuable, because if you remove E, the meaning is education, and education means not educations. So it will be just there, meaningless. Am I right? This is the real it's thing of the life. Your education without E means without English is nothing in today's. I remember in the past